Here is the magnetic cable holder tool. This thing is super compact, it just fits right on your desk or any surface. It's got little feet to make sure that it doesn't move around. And then you can open up this top piece, which is also magnetic. It's got a nice non-slip surface on here. And you get, there's 6 of these. There's 2 that I am already using on some cables, but get these. You just slip these onto your cable, and then just are magnetic. They're just attached like that, and they keep everything nice and tidy for you. And even here, look, it was a magnetic as well. So it's a small little item, but it helps keep everything neat and uncluttered, and everything packs away nice and tidy right inside the little box.